Welcome to this tutorial on arrays in JavaScript. An array is a collection of items stored in a single variable. Think of it like a shopping list or a container that holds multiple items. To create an array, you can use the array literal syntax. Simply enclose your values in square brackets and separate them with commas. You can access individual elements of an array by their index. Remember, the first element is at index 0. You can modify individual elements of an array by reassigning them. You can also add new elements to the end of the array using the push method. Arrays have several built-in methods that you can use to perform common operations. Some popular ones include the forEach method, the map method, and the filter method. Some common mistakes to watch out for when working with arrays include trying to access elements outside the array's bounds and forgetting to initialize variables. To get the most out of arrays, be sure to use the correct syntax and follow best practices. This includes using const whenever possible and taking advantage of array methods. When working with arrays, it's often helpful to understand some of the more advanced topics, such as how arrays are stored in memory and how to optimize array operations. Some common issues that can arise when working with arrays include incorrect indexing, trying to modify a read-only array, and attempting to use an undefined method. In this tutorial, you learned the basics of working with arrays in JavaScript. You should now be able to create, access, and modify arrays with confidence. If you'd like to learn more about working with arrays in JavaScript, check out some of the resources listed below. Thanks for watching this tutorial on arrays in JavaScript. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to reach out.